Little Gina TV.
We are going to look at farm animals today. Meet the farmer. Farmer. The farmer takes care of the plants and animals. Tractor. The tractor harvests crops. The farmer drives the tractor. Farm animals. Sheep. The sheep makes wool. 1, 2, 3 sheep. Chicken. The chicken lays eggs. What animal makes this sound? It's a donkey. Donkey. The donkey hauls things. Pig. The pigs love mud. Horse. The horse pulls heavy things. What animal photo is this? It's a goat. Goat. The goat makes friends. Cow. The cow gives milk. Owl. The owl keeps a lookout. Barn. The barn is where the farm animals live. Thanks for looking at the farm animals today. Come back again soon.
Little Gina TV.
Please subscribe to our channel to see more Little Genius TV videos. What video would you like us to make next? Let us know in the comments below.